Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial based in Photoshop with myself, Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you here today to discuss how do we apply gradient to text. A very, very simple request, but not a lot of people understand how to simply apply gradient to text. And obviously that's why I'm here today. So as you can see in front of you here, I have an example. Okay, I have some typography, and then as you can see, the fill to my typography is a gradient. Okay, now what I'm going to do is delete this layer. Okay, and I have the original typography layer like so. So I would like to now apply a gradient to this type. What I'm going to do is either go to effects and use gradient overlay, or I like to double click the layer, which will bring up your layer style. And as you can see, you have many different options here. The one you should be using is gradient overlay. Very, very simple. And as you can see, very, very powerful visually. Now, let's say, for instance, you would like to choose your own gradient, build your own gradient. You have the gradient bar here. If you just simply double click, you bring up your gradient editor. Now you have your color stops at the bottom here that you can manipulate and change. Okay, if you don't want 3 stops, you can select that one and delete. You can apply different color stops, as many as you like. And with the color stop selected, I would like to now change this color. So I have the color option here, which I'm now going to change. And there is my new gradient. If you'd like to save this gradient, you can now go to new, and there will be your new gradient applied to your gradient library. You also have certain presets that Photoshop give you that you can use. And they're very nice. So there you go, guys. That's how you apply a gradient to text, and that is how you manipulate and build your own gradient to your own requests. Guys, if you're interested in finding more about Blue Sky Graphics and the courses that we offer, please don't hesitate in contacting us or visiting our website at www.blueskygraphics.co.uk. And also you can find some of our amazing work from our students on our Instagram page at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you next time.